But is this born this way argument valid? That some people are genetically inclined towards alcoholism. Another example is that many men have this natural urge to have sex with more than one woman. You could even say that they were born that way. It's natural. If it's natural, it must be okay. Say that to the pedophile or the kleptomaniac. Even if you were born this way, born to want multiple sex partners, homo or heterosexual, born with a desire to take advantage of the weak, born with a natural talent to deceive people. I was born this way, but God calls me to live holy. Natural or not, born this way or not, God calls me to live holy. His standard